Hello everybody and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto, back to the channel again, once again my friends. Today we have awesome and also terribly crazy news and horrible news and some basically unbelievable news that you would never believe with your own eyes. The first piece of news though is actually about this channel, but we're going to go over everything that's happening in the financial markets and cryptocurrency, guys. Look at what's happening with our channel. It's exploding. HotCuppaCrypto, the channel, we have just passed 521 subscribers. My god, I cannot thank you guys enough. Like, what the hell? The channel has only been going for 2 weeks. Like, it's crazy, my friends. All of you guys are the best as well. You seem to be leaving just awesome comments all the time. So many nice, so many amazing things. Like, it's amazing. Thank you so much, guys. It means a lot to me and I really appreciate that. But anyway, enough with all of this rambling nonsense, and let's get straight into the world of cryptocurrency, but also the world of finance, because let's show you guys here what seems to be happening now. This is the US dollar. Look at this. What is going on with this? It is exploding like never before. It is in fact going parabolic. Now this is of course because of the crazy situation that we have going on in Russia. Global markets are panicking, stock markets are selling off, cryptocurrency, all of the cryptocurrency markets are selling off, and the dollar itself is going up, right? Because people are going into something that is they feel that is safe, something that they feel is less volatile, while they escape from these crazy and volatile markets. But look at the price of oil, guys. The price of oil is getting out of control. It is skyrocketing. This means, what does this mean, right? In case you guys don't, some of you don't know about the financial markets or how a lot of these things work. If the price of oil goes up, the price of everything you buy is going to go up, because the price of all goods themselves might not be affected individually, like food and goods that you buy, electronics that you buy, everything, clothes, everything that you buy. But the means of transportation for delivering those goods to your country, and for distributing everything you buy around the country and then selling it to you in the shops, that price of delivery is going up because the price of oil goes up. And what do you need for all of these things? You need oil, right? You need transportation. So this is something very dangerous and something to keep an eye on. As you guys may know, inflation is already getting out of hand in the world. It is out of control. So gold, Bitcoin seem to be more important right now than ever, and apparently, the US dollar. But we'll go over what's happening with the US dollar. I'll show you why the US dollar is actually going down in this video, right? You're going to see that with your very own eyes. But first, guys, look at this. The Russian ruble is dumping, exactly like an altcoin rug pull. This is just like a shitcoin altcoin rug pull, guys. The way this ruble is dumping down like never before. The people in Russia are going to the banks and all of their life savings and money has become instantly worthless overnight. It's crazy. And it's just about to get a lot worse over there in Russia. So yeah, Putin, guys, has gone mad. He's threatening to nuke the world. Basically, but he kind of is, but he's kind of not. But it seems to be crazy and out of control. Let's jump into a bit more of this news though. We'll actually check the crypto markets. You can see Bitcoin is actually holding relatively steady at 38k. It's been up, it's been down, but as usual, you can see minus 2%, Ethereum minus 4%, BNB minus 3% here. But look at this, Visa, MasterCard, they joined PayPal in suspending Russian operations. So the payment processors cited Russia's invasion of Ukraine in announcing the move on Saturday. So this weekend, Russia not only has been sanctioned, right, by the countries, they have been cut off from the global financial system, which is SWIFT, the US dollar, the British pound, from generating money and revenue in those currencies, but they now have been cut off even from, credit card and debit card networks, right? So the people in Russia with these cards, they can't even use their cards. They have to use cash or rubles to buy anything. It's crazy. And I do feel sorry for the innocent people of Russia and Ukraine. It's kind of happening in Ukraine as well. But they kind of are doing everything they can to survive right now. And the people in Ukraine are flocking to cryptocurrency. It is crazy. But the adoption in Russia and Ukraine for crypto is actually growing. So it's good that citizens can understand that they can use Bitcoin to be in more control of their money. In the past, people used to use gold, but you can't really use gold anymore now, right? Russia turns to China's UnionPay system amid Visa and MasterCard departures. This is a sign that if Russia continues to become terribly sanctioned and cut off from the world, they're going to team up with China. In fact, guys, they already have been doing this. And as you guys can see here, the Union Pay system, China's version of the international payment system, basically their version and faster version of SWIFT. They have made a partnership with Russia, and they are helping Russia in order to continue doing trade across the world and to continue operating and being in partnership with China here, kind of completely avoiding NATO. Very dangerous and situation here for the US dollar, which is crazy why the dollar's pumping, right? Why would the dollar be pumping? Because these sanctions, guys, yes, they're going to affect Russia and cause damage to the economy, massive damage to Russia itself, but the main damage is going to be caused to the dollar. This is going to cause the biggest irreparable damage to the dollar long term, and for many reasons. I'll show you guys why. So this is how you can tell that the dollar is actually going down. You can see on here, the dollar, this is the US dollar index, right? So this is actually just the dollar compared to all other currencies. So against every single other currency right now, against the basket of the world's currencies, for each country, the dollar is actually going up. Because of inflation, because of the damage being done to all of the world's currencies right now, they're currently going down against the dollar, and because people are acting as if the dollar is a safe haven, so they're buying up more dollars in order to be in the dollar now. But in reality, this is what's really happening with the dollar. If you look at the gold chart, you can see that the gold is actually exploding up to new highs. As you can see here, the all-time high is 2100, so we are almost at basically 2000 here. It's 2100 is the all-time high, and we're so close to that now. So gold has exploded over a new 1.5 year high, basically, and it is on its way to the all-time high. But how can that be? Because this is against the dollar. So this price chart of gold is gold measured in dollars. So the dollar is going up. It looks like the dollar is going up, but gold is going up more, right? Gold is actually continuing going up. So what actually is happening against the dollar is looking like the opposite of this chart. The dollar is actually going down, and it's dumping like never before. In fact, it is becoming more and more worthless as gold goes up, right? And that is crazy, because that just shows you and puts into perspective how badly every single currency in this world is dumping. Basically, how badly every single currency and how quickly every other currency is losing value. If the dollar looks like it's going up, it is actually going down against all other currencies. What does that say for all the rest of the currencies? And that's why the Russian ruble has become essentially, it looks like this, right? So the dollar looks like this against gold. So always remember, guys, gold is real money. So gold is what the real value, because remember, that is in fact what dollars used to be. Dollars used to be gold, measured in gold. And so that is an indication of the true price of the dollar, is what is happening to gold. Is gold going up or going down? If gold is going up against the dollar, that means, because gold isn't actually going up against anything. Gold is just staying the same. It is the dollars, it is the currencies that are in fact going down in value and becoming more and more worthless. And that is the same with all commodities, including oil and things like that. However, oil is certainly going up in price because it is becoming more scarce across the globe right now with the whole Russian crisis, which brings us on to our other stories, actually. But we do have the Apple co-founder calling Bitcoin pure gold here, which is actually interesting. This is Steve Wozniak. He remains skeptical of cryptocurrencies in general, despite his continuous praise for Bitcoin. But yeah, he's had some words of praise for Bitcoin in his recent interview with Business Insider, describing the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, as pure gold mathematics. So that is quite a good thing, and we're going to go over this in a minute, cryptocurrency being adopted, but it goes over to here. Oil price, there's this, I saw this on Twitter, which is that oil price soars to $130 a barrel, right? So it has hit $130 a barrel, which is a massive new high for oil. And the US is talking with European partners and allies to consider banning the imports of Russian oil. Secretary Blinken said this from the United States. So what this means, what this actually means, guys, is, we have been the world has been relying on Russia for a lot of oil. So it does mean that the price of oil is going to continuously go up, and it's going to affect all of us in our countries. Like, our inflation rate is going to get worse and worse and worse. So just be ready for that, and understand that is really what's happening in the global economy right now. Elon Musk says, hopefully, it is now extremely obvious that Europe should restart dormant nuclear power stations and increase power output of existing ones. This is critical to national and international security. So he's proposing that we go to nuclear power as a help in getting off of this Russian dependence on Russian oil. He said, for those who mistakenly think it is a radiation risk, pick what you think is the worst location. I will travel there and eat locally grown food on TV myself. I did this in Japan many years ago, shortly after Fukushima. Radiation risk is much, much lower than most people believe. Also, nuclear is vastly better for global warming than burning hydrocarbons for energy. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you think nuclear power is potentially the answer? We've got some people here underneath I saw earlier saying proposing solar and wind power, more natural forms of energy, but I feel like that might take too long, and in the meantime, prices in all of our respective countries for everything and all the goods that we buy might go up, getting more and more out of control before we can get round to using those. But let me know what you guys think about that. Netflix has suspended all services in Russia. Crazy news. We're seeing a lot of companies doing this. TikTok suspends uploading and live streaming from Russia, citing fake news law. And we saw that Facebook also suspended their services from Russia. So Russia and the people of Russia, man, wow, they're going through a really difficult time at the moment. I feel sorry for the people of Russia. They're becoming cut off from the rest of the world. Unbelievable and crazy news today. But let me know what you guys think. What do you think about the world situation right now? And I am thinking of doing longer form news videos in the future on this channel, guys. Potentially even we could do some live streams as well. Perhaps we could do that alongside all the regular videos. Once every day, once every few days, something like that, along and during the week. But thank you so much, guys, for the amazing support on this brand new channel, HotCuppaCrypto. I can't believe that we have half of 1,000 subscribers already in the first 2 weeks, and this is absolutely crazy. Can we get to 1,000 subscribers, and how long will it take us? Thank you guys so much for the amazing support. If you guys want to see more content, go over to Hot Cuppa TV, which is my other channel. Soon I'm going to be releasing more cryptocurrency play to earn content over there. And check out Kif's Crypto, another YouTube cryptocurrency channel that I am a part of, where we explore and go deeper into even more cryptocurrency projects over there. The links for everything and my Twitter is in the description, guys. You can go and follow me over there. But thank you so much once again for tuning in, and you guys are amazing. The support on this channel is awesome, and I can't wait to take this channel to the absolute freaking moon. So amazing. Have a good day, guys, and thank you for watching on Hot Cuppa Crypto.